Hi, I'm a lawyer and I'm 29 years of old. So, in this demanding profession like law, as you all know, we don't have much control over our schedule and like not even job location. So, I don't want to have kids right now, but I would like to have them in future. I'd like to put that as an option for future. So even with all the knowledge at my disposal, I wasn't actually sure that whether I should go through the process or not. So I have a friend, so she had undergone the same process. So it gave me a boost and like a confidence to go through this process. So I've actually consulted two to three clinics before like coming to EPIA. But when I came here, so the doctors were really comfortable and the environment was really good. So I felt like I was in a safer hand. The hormone injections were easier than I expected, but the main part, which I found a bit uncomfortable, was the final trigger shot, which was quite painful. The hormone injections were easier than I expected. The only part where I was a bit uncomfortable was the final trigger shot. And then on the day of retrieval, I was under anesthesia, so like I didn't feel anything. The entire process was done within 2 hours, and then the doctor asked me to like leave, and like I didn't have any post issues after that. I carried on with my work. So looking back, I wish I would have considered going through this process earlier because I guess the quality of the eggs depends on your age as early as possible. So the quality is best. So my advice to the women out there would be that you should go through this process as soon as possible because it's not as dangerous as you think it is. And with EPIA, it was the smoothest process I went through. I didn't have any issues, so that's all I could say. Because back in my times, we weren't very like it wasn't a open topic to speak about. I feel relieved after going through this process. Now I can have my things done with my own timings, with my own choices. So thanks to EPIA's professional care for making this process so smooth for me, and I can have my peace of mind for future.